What's up, guys? Thanks so much for tuning in again for another episode of Daily Carry Solutions. This is Carlos, and I have a fun little concept video that I'd like to get your input on and share a little bit of what I would do in this particular situation, and that is the $400 EDC challenge. So just a little background information as to how this came up. A friend of mine were discussing, our EDC gear and firearms, and we got to talking about what we were carrying and how it's evolved over the years. And then the conversation got into how much certain things cost, like ammo and holsters, firearms, and other things. And I said a lot of the costs that people throw into their loadout is really just for false peace of mind, and that for around the cost of the average Glock, say $500, that I could get an entire EDC setup. He had a good laugh, and he told me it was damn near impossible to get a good quality setup for that much, when I was like, oh, you're crazy, dude. I know it can happen. So then I got to thinking, what if I could just prove him wrong and come up with an EDC setup that would even blow that mark away, that would blow the $500 mark away? Say I was able to get an EDC setup for even less, I don't know, for $400. Bear in mind, it would be a good loadout for those starting to EDC, so nothing top of the line, but nothing bottom of the barrel either. My friend and I eventually agreed that the setup would consist of the following 6 items. You needed a knife, a multi-tool, a flashlight, your firearm, a holster for the firearm, and self-defense ammo. We agreed that I would only be recommending what I've owned and what I have carried and used myself, so the follow-up video to this will be revealing my results. Be sure to be on the lookout for part 2, and in the meantime, I'm interested in what you would get using my list for $400. Thanks so much for checking out this concept video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already a part of the DCS crew. That way YouTube can send you notifications when the page is updated. And if you're on Instagram, be sure to follow my page at Daily Carry Solutions. And remember, if you EDC, think of DCS, dailycarrysolutions.com. Take good care of yourselves, and I will see you next time.